Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be teaching you how to participate in this Metamask airdrop. Okay, so Metamask is actually giving us points that can be converted to Metamask token. We all know that Metamask doesn't have their own token, they don't have their own coin. So through these points that will be collecting, that will be claiming, they're going to convert the points to their own Metamask token. So follow me step by step on how to claim your own points. Okay, don't miss this airdrop, it's very important. Okay, the first thing that you're going to do is for you to download Metamask. If you don't have Metamask, download Metamask, register, and keep your key phrase safe. Okay, if you lost your key phrase, you have lost every of your assets in the Metamask. If you already have Metamask, you need to update it from your Play Store. So after you must have updated it, if you open it, the interface is going to show like this. Okay, so once the interface is like this, the first thing we're going to do is for you to copy the code below this video. I'm going to paste the referral link, okay, below this video. So you just click on reward here. Okay, you click on reward. So you click on claim 250 points. Okay, so you click on next. Just follow me step by step, it's very simple and easy. So you click on next, you click on next. They ask you to put referral code. Okay, so once you put the referral code, they're going to give you 500 points here. If you enter without any referral code, they're not going to give you any points. Okay, so as you can see, after I must have put the referral code, they have given me 500 points. So the next thing I'm going to do is for me to claim points. Okay, after you must have input the referral code that you copied below this video, or if you're in my WhatsApp group, I'm going to drop the referral code in my WhatsApp group. Copy it and paste here, then you earn 500 points. Okay guys, so make sure that you do this for you to get your own 500 points. Okay, as you can see, this season 1 is ending on 85 days 19 hours. Okay, make sure that you participate in it. They say ways to earn. They say swap 80 points per $100, peps 10 points per $100, refer friends. Okay, so if you want to refer friends, you can actually click here to get your referral link. Okay, to share with your friends and family. Click here to get your referral links. So guys, this is how to do this airdrop. Okay, please, if I'm not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe now, and don't forget to click on the notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you will be the first to be notified. And if this video is helpful, like my video, comment and share with your friends. And if you're not in my WhatsApp group, I'm going to be dropping my WhatsApp group link and my WhatsApp community link below this video. Click on it to join so that you'll be receiving updates. Okay, see you in my next video.